guys, and nandito kami in front of SM Mall. Ano lang namin yung mga bata guys so that they can play. Anyway, we wanna give you an update regarding our car loan application.
Still in process.
Okay. Yeah, so ngayon pa lang kami guys na interview ng CI. So it's our third week here in the Philippines, and yeah, it's still in process guys. I tell you, it's not easy. It's not easy to apply for a car loan over here. If you prefer to get a car like fast, maybe a good option would be a second-hand car, or you would want to pay it cash. Pero right now,
second-hand's not what
oh well,
the amount of money they charge. Another $300,000-400,000 in pesos. You might as well get a new one.
yeah. So for us, a new car would be the best option. Pero right now we are trying to see if we can loan a car, which is taking a little while guys, but case to case basis din naman yan. So it might be a different experience for you guys. Pero sa aming sitwasyon, this is our third week. We started like really applying around the second week after namin dumating dito. So yeah, anyway, yeah, that's one of the things that we have to deal with right now, and I tell you, it's a little bit frustrating, but that is why we have to keep our cool, right Daddy? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, dito na muna kami sa guys, sa SM para makapaglaro ang mga bata. Dito kami guys sa SM Mall. Dito sa Quezon. So naglalaro din ang anak ko at saka yung friend ko yan. Yan, malaki siya. It's a big place na din. Kami like this place. It's actually it's pretty nice. So nag-i-enjoy sila din. Meanwhile, kami din magpakoy-pakoy sa kay kapoy. Napagod yung mag-meet namin. Hi Rachel! Okay, so ito yung area ng ano nila guys, yeah, play area ng kids zone. Meron sila nito. They also have this here, Pet World. Wow. Our veterinarians here. Our veterinarians are in the house. What's the name of your cat? Leo. It's pretty cute, especially sa mga little kids. Yan. So now Rachel's feeding her cat. Wow. She's feeding him.
It's a sheep.
Oh, it's a she cat. Okay, what's the name of this she cat? Looks like a tiger. Now she's fully vaccinated. She also got her anti-rabies vaccine. What's that? kami sa Pizza Hut. Dito. Nag-order lang kami ng Super Supreme Pizza. Ayan. At saka buffalo. Yan. And then we have that for our drink. Bumili ang asawa ko dito sa labas. Oh, this one. Para sa throat niya kasi nagbabother yung throat niya. Yeah, ayan. So, we miss pizza.